If you like history, picturesque villages, crooked buildings, and Harry Potter, you'll absolutely love it here. So today we're in the beautiful town of Lavenham in Sussex, and with over 300 listed buildings, it is the best preserved medieval town in England. It was also featured in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1 as Godric's Hollow. So super excited to take a look around. Even the drive-in was lovely, with stunning houses and lush green fields. The first thing you see when you enter Lavenham is the striking St Peter and St Paul's Church. It's one of the most important wall churches and one of the finest examples of late perpendicular Gothic architecture in England. Lavenham made a name for itself in the 15th century with their Lavenham woad blue cloth that was manufactured in town. It soon became the 14th wealthiest town in Tudor England. Wealthy wool merchants sold their fabric and then built beautiful properties with their profits. The Swan Hotel was originally a Guildhall, but was later converted into a wool hall in the 17th century. Now a beautiful hotel showcasing its rich history. The bar, which was a popular place for the US airmen during the Second World War, is still decorated with its memorabilia. The Crooked House on the main street was built in 1395. It's said to be one of the most photographed homes in the world, and is also said to be the inspiration for the English nursery rhyme "There Was a Crooked Man." Lavenham was granted a market charter in 1257 and was allowed to hold weekly markets and 2 annual fairs. This made Lavenham a centre for trade. Little Hall, built in the 1390s as a family home, is one of the oldest in the town and is now a museum where you can learn about the history and the life through the centuries. The Guildhall was built as a meeting place for the Catholic Guild that served the local community. It's been used for many different purposes in its lifetime, including a workhouse and a restaurant. Now it's run by the National Trust, and you can learn all about the history of the village and the making of the Lavenham Road Blue that made the town famous. The streets of Lavenham were used as a background for scenes of Godric's Hollow in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1. And Vere house was transformed into his parents' derelict house and Harry's birthplace. The Guildhall was also used in some scenes too. We absolutely loved it here and spent hours wandering around this stunning town.